Hello LEGO fans, welcome back to my YouTube. Now I want to show you Kai's fighter jet. Here there will be new characters, there's a Ninjoid and there's a Ninja. Now you shall see to the back. Pretty cool, right? Now let's open it. Okay, so there's okay. Plastic 1, plastic 2, and plastic 3. Wow, this is amazing. So now we should start building. I hope you enjoyed the video. Hey LEGO fans, I already finished plastic 1. See? Kai's fighter jet looks like Kai's boat in season 8. And this one is in the Legacy. And what season is it again? Season 3. Also, don't forget there's a cannon. So, also, you can actually fire it.
I have alarm environment.
See? Easy and almost peasy. I think this is General Vex. Because he looks like one. Because this Ninja has a cool blade. Now we shall build plastic 2. Hey LEGO fans, I already finished plastic 1 and plastic 2. Now I shall continue. I shall build plastic 3 and plastic 4 tomorrow. I hope you have a good night's sleep. Good night. Hey LEGO fans, welcome back to my video. Now I'm going to start building plastic 3. Now take a look at this part. Looks like Kai's boat from season 8. And this Ninjoid over here, I never built him before, so I'm gonna build him now. See? Pretty cool with its super weapon. Now we should start building. I hope you enjoy the video. Hello, Lego fans. I'm sorry I didn't put the voice in my video, but I want to show you the Kai Spider Jet. Hello, Lego fans. I already done finishing building Kai Spider Jet. Now I'll show you. Ta-da! You see, Kai Spider Jet has 2 blasters, and don't forget you can actually put the plane down. See? And put it up. Also, there's like 2 Ninjoids and 2 ninjas. This is Kai, and this is Lloyd versus the Ninjoid. Also, this is the Ninjoid's weapon, and we can actually fire. See? And Kai's fighter jet. I can actually shoot it here. Nah, it didn't work. There, that's better. And take a look at those stickers. Pretty cool, right? You can actually put the minifigure inside, but you can't put the katanas in because they can't fit in. Here you go. See, now you can put Kai in and battle the Ninjoid. See, he's a little squeezy. Now that's all the video. I hope you subscribe and a like. Bye.